Making money on YouTube without making any videos. Epic fail. The big problem with this so-called solution to making money on YouTube without making any videos. That's what I'm going to be talking about today, and I'm going to show you why it's a problem. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. It's a very cool place. You can get free membership, free websites, free training, a whole lot of other really cool stuff. Check that out as well. But let's talk about this. So if you type into Google or into YouTube, make money on YouTube without creating videos, you can get all these videos, showing people how to use creative commerce videos to make money on YouTube. Because you go here to the filter here, and hit creative commons. And these videos are apparently all videos that are free to use however you want, no copyright. But the big problem with this is that anyone can upload any video and say it's creative commons, and it's not. Sure, lots of them are, but you don't know if they are or not. And here's what's going to happen: if you do this method, you're going to make this channel, and you're going to put all this time in downloading videos and stuff like that, and uploading videos, and people say take 5 videos and make it to one video, the top 5, whatever. Take different videos. It doesn't matter what subject it's in. The problem is, again, anyone can upload and say it's creative commons, even though it's not, and it can be copyrighted material. You're gonna get a video that's gonna go viral or something, or not even viral, just a couple thousand views, and someone's gonna say, hey, that's my copyrighted material. You're gonna get a copyright strike. You're gonna get 3 copyright strikes, and then you're done with all that stuff. So it's not a really good sustainable business model. it gets clicks and stuff, like people watch these videos and stuff like that. 150,000 views on this one. So it's not a good business model. Like I said, you'll get away with it for a while, but eventually, there's a chance. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen, but just high probable chance that some of this stuff is not free to use, and then you're gonna get caught and you're gonna be penalized. So that's all I want to say today about that. Like I said, if you want to really learn how to make money online, check out my #1 recommendation in the video description below. Again, you're gonna get a free membership, free websites, free training. It's all about affiliate marketing, building your business from the ground up. You really want to learn how to do that. If you want to learn how to do that, again, it's free, so you might as well check it out. If it's not something you want, don't worry about it. If you want to, you can upgrade to the premium account, but there's enough free stuff there to get you going. So anyways, that's all for today. Please subscribe to the channel. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.